Ay, ay. My population's racing. They steady copping the frozen toxins, let them pop in their faces, changing the rotation like a blunt. Even though the process the same, and I keep it hiding in my art. Even though my pockets are painted, parking the posture, let it perform. Up in the apartment, I'm waiting, phasing the fruits in general. Truths trapped in the arc as they phrased it. Amazing graces kept their face part in the draw was the statement. Taking these thoughts, I clear them out, I leave them fall to the basement. Basic occasions left in a spaceship, not how far we was faded. Basically saying just exactly just how far we was faded. Marking the star, you wasn't there, so when I laughed, you just hated. It was someone popping, you wanna cop it, now there's a fee and you pay it. Drop to a hollow, rap and swallow, drop the knees till you follow. Breeze to the Tahoe, till tomorrow, break the heart and you sorrow. You see my revision, benefiting off the living you getting, ripping and swifting off the copy. Drop the oxys in the nostrils you getting. This is the part, it's the part that you see. You growing up, you showing love, it's getting harder to bleed. Talking to me will hold you up, it's getting harder to breathe. I see I fought to heat the water, felt apart to the steam. Circumstances that had to happen, get the touch and you shed. I ate along, I put as much but not as much as you fed. Realize and put the part when you spread. Cause these people really love you but not as much when you dead, nigga.